Hello friends, and welcome to Facebook Live Friday. Today I'm going to share with you an easy vegan recipe for oil-free mayonnaise. And with that, I will share with you my favorite vegan sandwich. If we have never met, my name is Nancy Montori, and I am the founder of Ordinary Vegan. I have a blog, I have a podcast, and I get to be part of this beautiful, vibrant, compassionate community, now closing in on 315,000 right here on Facebook. So thanks so much for being here today and for all your support. I really love you guys and I appreciate every single one of you. As always, please tell me where you're watching from, and can you click on the wow face if you're already on a plant-based diet, full or part-time. You know how much I love reading about all of you. Before I get started today, I have an announcement. It's kind of exciting for me. It has been my goal to release my own line of Ordinary Vegan products in 2018, in addition to releasing my cookbook. So based on a year's worth of research, I decided my first product is going to be my own brand of CBD oil made from hemp. And as many of you know, I have a soft spot in my heart for anyone suffering from mental health problems. And I have done a couple of podcasts about the connection between food and disease and mental health. The first thing I want to say is that mental health problems are nothing to be ashamed of. And there are a lot of things that happen in our bodies that we can't control, like our receptors throughout our entire body. So over the course of the year, my research has shown me that non-THC CBD oil from hemp with fatty acids can possibly help people with anxiety, depression, PTSD, and even addiction. Not only that, there are lots of new studies showing that CBD oil can help with inflammation like arthritis and pain management. How it works is that CBD oil enhances receptors that are involved in serotonin, dopamine, and neurotransmitters. CBD directly interacts with these receptors to help mediate pain, inflammation, and a number of neurological processes like anxiety, depression. The problem is that people are confused about what cannabidiol, also known as CBD oil, is. And some people think it comes from marijuana and can make you high. Well, that's not true. If you extract CBD from hemp plants, which is what my CBD oil is, it is from hemp and it is non-psychotic, meaning it doesn't get you high. So, at any rate, during my research, I found out that not all CBD oil is created equal, and getting safe, seed to table, nothing in between, plant-based CBD oil wasn't that easy. Some CBD oil even comes from places like China that aren't regulated. So I searched and I searched and I found a company, a seed-to-table company, manufacturer, and here it is. My first product, 60 CBD capsules for anxiety and inflammation. I can't promise it will help everyone, but maybe it will help many, and that is always my goal, to keep you well. Thanks for listening. Now, and you can go to my website, ordinaryvegan.net, to purchase this. And to learn more about CBD oil, you can listen to my podcast number 30, which I go through every scientific study around. Now, let's get cooking. I have to admit, I love mayonnaise, and I love making mock egg salad and mock tuna salad sandwiches because I miss those flavors. But I don't miss the protein. I always say it isn't about the protein, it's about the flavors. To be honest, I use vegan mayonnaise occasionally, even though it has oil, but I prefer not to. So today I am sharing a recipe for oil-free mayonnaise. It's so easy to prepare. All you do is add 1 cup of soaked cashews to a food processor or blender that have been soaked for 2 hours in hot water or soaked overnight. Then rinse them before you use those. Then you add a 1/4 cup of our favorite new ingredient, aquafaba, which is the liquid cooked chickpeas like these. Shouldn't show them. Come in. Next, you add a 1/4 cup of water, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of agave nectar, which I've never used before, so this is a first for me, and I do have recipes that call for it, not that I created, that things I've seen, but I think I'm going to start experimenting with this. And then a teaspoon of mustard, dried mustard, and a clove of chopped garlic. Then you do just a pinch of salt and ground black pepper, and you process that mixture until it has the consistency of mayonnaise. Like this. This is probably got a little thick when it was in the refrigerator. But, you know, and then you add salt to taste. The thing is, this doesn't taste exactly like mayonnaise, but it tastes clean and refreshing and has that same creamy quality. So I really do think you'll enjoy it. And now you can add it to your favorite sandwich or make some creamy potato salad or macaroni salad. And today I'm going to add mine to that box of chickpeas that we got our aquafaba liquid from, which I have mashed up. So I just take some of that and mix that around. We need more. Thing is, this is a healthy version of mayo, so vegan mayo, so you can add more. And then I like to add just some sun-dried tomatoes, which I've chopped up, and then put that in there and mix that together. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Can you see that? So this is your sandwich. Just heap that on to your favorite vegan bread. And another use for this oil-free mayonnaise is to make an aioli. Did I pronounce that right? I think I did. For tacos, you just combine a 1/4 cup of the vegan mayo with 1 tablespoon of capers, 1 clove of chopped garlic, juice of 1 lemon, and some chopped scallions. And that's it. You mix that up and smear it on your favorite tacos, and it's really quite tasty. That's it. Homemade oil-free mayonnaise. Thanks for joining me today. Please join me next week, same day, same time, if you want to learn more delicious plant-based recipes. And please comment and share your stories. I love reading them. Also, tell me where you're from and hit the wow face. Even if it would hit the wow face if you're getting started or already on a vegan diet. Even if you're watching in the rebroadcast, because I am always checking in, coming back, looking who stopped by. I'm always here to serve you, and you can find all my recipes and my first product, CBD capsules, at ordinaryvegan.net, and my nutrition recipe podcast on iTunes. Just search for Ordinary Vegan. Look forward to seeing you all next week and wishing you a peaceful and compassionate weekend. Thank you so much for being here.